Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to play again Bus Simulator Indonesia. So let's start. This Bus Simulator Indonesia I am going to play. This is my Fortuner garage. Here is I have many cars. Jeep, this bus, then Range Rover Creta, Kia Seltos, which is a Fortuner, truck, Scorpio. This is also there. This bike. Then this bike, new model bike, and this XUV, not 500, XUV only. Then I have my special truck, goods carrier. I'm going to use this, and today I'm not going to play in that road. I'm going to play in off-road. So I will teach you the off-road way. Follow all the rules. Do not follow the map. Follow till when I say. After that I'll say do not follow now. Then stop. Do carry mode. Okay. Yes. From this to this. 263 kilometer. I'll get rupees 60.000. Distance city of yeah. Let's go. The road is off-road, and in Bus Simulator there is no off-road bus. There is no off-road way, but I've got a special off-road way. So follow my rules and watch the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe. See guys, my truck, and I'll teach you how to download this also. I'll teach you how to download this soon. Off-road way is very cool, fantastic. The ground clearance is also very good. Shit, it's raining. I do not like this raining. In this game, I do not like rain and this cloudy type of texture. What happened? What is this? What driver doing? All the passengers are this side, so I have to give the indicator of another side. Here somewhere, I guess. Yeah. What is this bus driver doing? He cannot see or what? But the scenery is coming again and again. I think I have to give it. I have to go back now like this one. I have to follow the map right now, but after some time I don't have to because this map is also not correct. I'm not correct. This map is correct 100%. Where is this man coming? Phew, the rain stopped. Sorry man, sorry. One hit, two hit. See my truck guys, how it looks. Reply me in the comment box. Oh my gosh. I can't see nothing. Oh no, the off-road is about to come. Wow, wow. When I say do not follow the map, then please do not. Or if you will follow the map only, then you will not get off-road. You will get beach road like this. I won't wait for this car. I'll go from my shortcut way which I have made. That side it will rain. Now it will rain in hilly areas. Yes, one man.
सही सही लगाया दीदी 600 अब कहीं भी देख
We entered here. Now I'll show you from after some time. Okay, guys. And guys, you have to follow the map there right now also. See guys, now it's telling to go this side. I'll give the indicator of this right side. Now at the right now also I have to follow the map. When I'll say do not follow, then only do not follow, please. I'll go from here one time. My truck will fit. Let's see. Oh yes. Oh yes. Go straight, guys. Now you have to go straight. I will put this passenger. Guys, I'll put this passenger from here and I'll start from here again, okay? Open. Let's park my truck a little side because it's too big. Let's go. And back up. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and this is the first part. Second part is also coming. It will start from here, same position like this. You can see same position. I'll do like this. So please subscribe. You can see for more see guys, I'm stopping from here, this side. I'll start from this side only now. Bye bye.